Hello everyone, how to towards the back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to how to upload multiple content like multiple picture, videos or anything in your story, how to select this. So you can see this is a Facebook Lite app. So simply click add to story. Once you click add to story, then they will show you all the contents have in your device. So I'm just going to, if you select like that, then it will not be selected multiple ones. So you have to click here, select multiple, simply click on that. Once you click on that and it's marked now, then you have to choose the picture you want. So one, two, or you can add more if you want, and then click next. And you can see it's if you see the bottom part, then you can see 5 big picture I selected already, and then click share now, and it will be share here. Or if you want to add more, then you can see the add, simply click add, then you can add more picture. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.